Introducing the award-winning Peg Extender with MagOrg Desk Mat Setup, which is clean, creative, and clutter-free. This arrangement will increase your daily output while clearing your desk of unnecessary items so that you can focus on what matters most. The most cost-effective way to increase the amount of space on a desktop or under a desk that's already cluttered is to use this unique DIY pegboard-based desk extender storage system. To free up more room upper or under a desk, the 20-kilogram heavy-duty design ensures the safety of CPU or speaker placement effectively. The tray extender can be used for typical storage needs without pegboards, and when mounted with the removable sliding pegboard mechanism, it expands the storage capacity for your gaming or daily electronics while creating more space. On the side, this magnetic MagOrg desk mat reduces clutter, allowing you to concentrate on the crucial task at hand without being distracted. You can fit your laptop, mouse, keyboard, phone, journal, and stationery on the MagOrg desk mat. On an extra, using a 15-watt wireless area, you can charge your iPhone while keeping all of your extra stationery organized on a pen stand. The small foldable laptop stand and handrest gives you good ergonomic control, improve the usability of laptops and tablets, and reduces heating. Use the 5 creative elastic places to hold your other items close to hand. Use it every day to notice a difference. This MagOrg and Peg Extender improve your workstation setup and increase your productivity at work.